Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve the problem Pokemon Army Easy version from Codeforces round 672. Problem statement says that basically we have array of an integer and we have to choose k indices such that all indices are in increasing order, and let's say that indices are b1 b2 up to bk, right? So what is our goal? Our goal is to find a maximum strength, and strength is defined as ab1 minus ab2 plus ab3 minus ab4 and so on, right? So let's solve the problem. Before moving, just observe one thing, that our what we want our strength as a maximum, right? So the last element in this strength must be additive in nature, right? In this manner only we get maximum strength, right? If last element is like, if we have four, if we have to choose four index like ab1 minus ab2 plus ab3 minus ab4, then it's always beneficial to choose only three index, ab1 minus ab2 plus ab3, because this minus ab4 always decrement our maximum, right? So yeah, this is one observation, and definitely our starting index is always additive, right? So let's take this example 1 2 4 4 3 6 7 1 2 sorry 1 2 5 1 2 5 1 2 5 4 3 6 7. What I am doing is that I am proceeding this sequence from the end, right? I have point I will name this index as I, and I am decrementing on my I till 0, right? Now initially our in our strength, our strength is something look like this: ab1 minus ab2 plus ab3 minus ab4 plus ab5 and so on. Last element must be additive in nature, right? Just remember this thing. So if last element has to be added in our strength, that means this last element we have to choose maximum as possible, right? So what we will do, when we encounter increasing sequence, then we find maximum from that sequence. When we encounter decreasing sequence, then we find minimum from that sequence. That means that will be decrement from our strength, right? And when we will encounter increasing sequence, we will again find maximum. When we will encounter decreasing sequence, we will find minimum, something like this. This is how we are going to solve this problem, right? So I have taken one count. Initially our sequence must be in increase. We have to consider our sequence in increasing or increasing, right? Because our last element is additive in nature, so we have to find maximum, right? So let's say this count is equal to 7, right? From next index, see, this sequence is getting decreased, right? So from next index, so at this point what we will do, we will increment 7 to our answer, right? Now whatever the element arrived, we have to decrement that element in from this answer. So if we want to, if we want answer as a max, then we want to decrease minimum element from this, right? So now move this index from here to here and take our count as a 6, right? See the next element, our sequence is still decreasing, then what we will do, we will just decrement our I and see this 3 is less than 6, yes, then what we will do, we will update our count. Yeah, now what we will do, we will decrement our sequence. But see here, our sequence is now increasing, and so till now we get minimum as 3. Then what we will do, we will decrement our answer by -3, right? Then what we will do now, count is equal to, count become now 4. We have to find now maximum from this increasing sequence, right? So we have stored this 4 in our count and we decrement this I. Our count is less than this 5, right? So what we do, we update our count 5, and now see our upcoming index is less than current index. That means from next index our decreasing sequence is start, right? So we will just increment this 5 to our answer. We will increment this 5 to our answer, and now decrement this I to this index, right? Now we have to find minimum, so count is equal to now 2, and we decrement this index I. See, this 1 is less than 2. That means we update our count, but we, and now our sequence is end. But just see one thing, if we decrement decrease this our answer by -1, then we didn't get our answer as a maximum, right? So it's always beneficial if our sequence ends with the decreasing order, then we just leave this one. We just leave this last element, that we are going to decrement from this answer, right? So that we can get maximum answer, maximum strength. So this is our answer. This is how we are going to proceed this problem. Just see the code is also in the description, you can check from there. What I am doing, I am starting from n minus 1. I have store all the element in a array, and starting from n minus 1. Initially, I just said in this example, initially we take our sequence as an increasing sequence, right? So if our element is greater than I plus 1, then we find our maximum element, right? And we increment that element to our answer. Then when we encounter a decreasing sequence, then we find minimum from this sequence, and we will decrease this sequence. And this is condition for this last moment, that if we encounter our last sequence as a decreasing sequence, then we just continue. We are not going to decrease our answer, right? So that we will get maximum output. So yeah, this is the solution. Code is in the description. Thank you.